What is going on, guys? So today we have a pretty cool video, if you can tell by the title. This is a 2017 Toyota Camry, and it's the what package?
Fully packaged XSE V6.
Okay, fully loaded. I don't know that much about them, but from what I hear, they're pretty nice. So you'll have to take me for a spin after we wrap this up. But this is Muhammad. It's his car, and we are essentially just doing a muffler delete on it. That's the mufflers we got. They are quad tips, just like the factory quad tips. They're from, who is it again? STE Performance. Shouldn't be too big of an install. It's just going to basically be pulling the old mufflers off and putting these ones on. It's got new gaskets that came with it. So let's get the car up in the air, throw these, pull the old mufflers off, put the new ones, or lack thereof, on, and see what it sounds like. Yep. This thing's great. I love it. It's expensive, but one of the best investments I've ever made on a tool. I'm going to show you guys what all is going on here with doing this exhaust modification. You literally just have the muffler right here. There's the two bolts on the exhaust, so you just have to loosen those. We've got one exhaust hanger, as you can see there. So we've got two exhaust hangers supporting the muffler, and then just the bolts on the piping there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull all that stuff off real quick. Alright, and I am going to go ahead and pull the muffler completely off with the exhaust hangers, just because it'll be easier to transfer the hangers when the muffler's off the car. I think it'll be a little bit hard getting them off while I'm on the car. Okay. Well, welcome to the There's water in this. Oh, there's a lot of water in this. What the hell?
Some train in the mail today. These nuts. Got him! Got him!
Already almost done. So next step, now that the mufflers are out of the car, got a little bit of WD-40. I'm gonna lube up these brackets here, the hangers, and pull those off and get them on the new muffler deletes. There we go. That's two. Look at the new mufflers, dude. You got a nice burnt tip going on. These things look pretty good. Bada boom. Alright, so I'm about to bolt this new muffler into the car, and I'm going to start by bolting up the hangers, and then I'll kind of get the exhaust situated on the piping. taking down the muffler delete to, I don't know what you call that pipe. Y-pipe, I guess. Got the exhaust gasket in place. They provide 2 brand new ones to go with it. Alright, just gotta do the other side when we're done. And just like that, the other side is now on the car. And yeah, well, as long as you can get up in there, you can go ahead and do a first start before we drop it back down and pull it out. Much louder already, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Good stuff, man. Wow, now it's warm. It got almost silent just now. Alright, so that's how the car sounds now that the exhaust is on the outside. So we're gonna take it actually for a quick spin. Mohammed's gonna take it around the block with me so we can kind of see what it sounds like inside the car. So let's get it.
The seat cover gets in the way.
Not bad, I like it.
Yeah? I don't know what it sounded like stock, but it sounds like it certainly got much more grumble to it, right? Hit it.
Straight?
Just keep going straight, yeah. That's why I said hit it, because you got like a straight road. So, just like that, exhaust is all done. Sounds a lot better. You couldn't hear anything before. So, much more sound out of the car already. I'd say Mohammed's pretty happy, right?
I'm happy. Great
Awesome,
job.
man.
Thank you, Brian.
No
Appreciate
problem,
it,
dude.
man.
Happy to help.
You did a great job.
He does have an Instagram. I'll link that down below. What is it?
Jay Sprints.
Jay Sprints. All right, cool. So you guys can check that down below if you like his car. It is brand new 2017 Camry. I know it's relatively popular out there. It's definitely pretty nice. It's got like the red leather seats. I'll show you guys real quick. It's got nice leather interior and everything like that. He's got seat covers on it, but there's the seat. Interior's pretty nice, so I don't know. Maybe we'll have to do a review. We'll see. But that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like the sound of the exhaust after we've done the muffler delete. It definitely sounds a lot better. Certainly more room for improvement if he was to go, you know, more loud with resonator delete and things. I saw there was a couple of things up in the exhaust there, but all in all, sounds pretty good. So hit that like button if you think it sounds pretty good. Feel free to comment down below. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.